Round a number to the decimal place you want in Excel, the round function. Enter the data. Click a cell next to the one you want to round. Type =, round, open parenthesis. Click the cell you want to round, comma, number of digits to round to, closed parenthesis. Press Enter. Use 0 as the decimal place to round to the nearest whole number. Use round up to round a number up. Use round down to round a number down. Use 0 as the decimal place to round to the nearest whole number. Use mRound to round a number to a nearest multiple. Use even to round up a number to the nearest even integer. Use odd to round up a number to the nearest odd integer. Click Increase Decimal button to show more decimal places. Click the Decrease Decimal button to show fewer decimal places. Cell Formatting. Right-click any highlighted cell. Click Format Cells. In the Number tab, click Number from the category list. Select the number of decimal places. Click OK.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.